Furnace only replacement. House has 3 systems. This system is servicing the back half of the house, which was added onto. You can see at the moment the furnace, I guess at one point I guess would be outside. It's kind of right in that walkout basement spot, so they kind of added on, and that's where the furnace is finding itself. So yeah, there's plenty of airflow, that's for sure. Yeah, so it's actually a tall furnace, tall and narrow, 48 high, 16 wide. We're not doing the AC. The AC's 2016 train, so we're going to leave that. So we're basically working from the A coil down. The return drop looks pretty rough. I got the measurement on that joint down to the floor there. It's 76 inches, so I'm going to make a note for a new drop. It's a 20 by 8 at the moment. We kind of don't have a whole hell of a lot of space at the back because it's smacking straight into the back of that retaining wall. So new furnace, new return drop. We'll do an offset to make some room for the media filter. It's kind of a little busy down there with the electric and a conduit. Should be enough room to get in a 16-inch high filter. Four-inch on the flue. Got one bend, and then straight into the 4-inch that's going out through the roof. As far as getting the equipment out, it's not a walkout. This used to be the walkout, so we got to go around up these stairs. There's a little bit of a swivel, and then we can get out the back, bring the new equipment in the same. It's 2 panels. You can see plenty of 15 amps. Don't see it labelled. I'm guessing it's one of these to shut off the blower motor. That's it.